Look, YouTube, I'm back again with another video. This video pretty much is basically to tell you guys what I think y'all need as a beginner tattoo artist. Let's just say if y'all want to do this as a hobbyist or y'all want to take this to the professional level, but starting off as an amateur and a beginner, these are the essentials you will need. So let's get into the video. But without further ado, before I get deep into the video, make sure y'all like this video, make sure y'all comment, and make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified when I drop another. You feel me? So, what you're gonna need is, this is like optional. You know, if you don't have something like this to put your end caps in, this is optional. I feel as if, of course, you need your needles. Everyone needs needles. You know, liners, round shaders, magnums, things of that nature. This is a round liner right here. And a round liner is self-explanatory. Basically, all it's helping you do is create a line when you're doing tattoo art. I see there is some techniques, but I'm not going to get into that with shading with the round liners, but that's another story. Round shaders, that's what this is. Ooh, got some ink on it. About Poseidon. Basically, what that does, y'all seen it in my last video. I don't know if y'all haven't, but the link will be in the description below. Pretty much you can shade at a circular motion. Same thing, you know. Of course, inks, as you see it spilled. Let's talk about that. I got dynamic red ink, dynamic black ink. This is essential, of course. Your machine, essential. This is an Amazon cheap $35 machine. Y'all seen my last video. That is almost at 1K views. And yeah, y'all see me work with this one. You know, it's one of those where it comes with an attachable battery. You can charge it. And this grip tape, so you can, like, to me, I feel like the grip tape is there. It's somewhat of an essential, but it's like preference based to me because it helps me feel less of the vibration of the machine, if that makes sense. And of course, you need these for sure. I don't know what these called, but I got them from Temu. And it covers your stuff from the inks, the germs, the blood, all that. Like, you know, you want to be sanitary as much as possible. Speaking of sanitation, let's go with the gloves. This is this is Temu. This is how Temu pack my gloves, right? Y'all see the difference between Temu and Amazon. This how Amazon pack my gloves. So these are from Amazon too, my dental bibs. These are optional as well. If you don't have the dental bibs, if you can't afford the dental bibs right away, all you can just do is get paper towel. Somewhat of the same thing, except dental bibs. If you ever been in a dental field, you know it's totally different to a certain extent. So for this machine, I have another machine that I got from Temu with a pedal. I mean, it's pretty good, but since that one flaw I had from that last video, I just stopped using it. Pretty sure it does work the same. It just, I wanted to do something else and have like my mobility without being limited to, same with my clippers. Cutting here, I want to be limited to less cords. And starting off, these fake skins, please, for sure, make sure y'all get the actual silicone type skins. What I mean by that is, these are thick. These are better to help you learn depth and things of that nature. So make sure y'all get the real skins. This is essential. I'm gonna make a list and I'm gonna put it in the video. What is your top 5 essentials or top 10 essentials that you need to start off? So this is essential. I'm gonna put it in a pile for you too. So machine, essential. Needles, essential. Gloves, essential. Ink, essential. Now, the aftercare. This green soap here, very much essential. So we're gonna put that over here, which is the same thing as in this bottle. So essential. This, starting off, you can use something cheaper than this. I would use this on real skin, but I'm gonna put this in the essential pile too. Of course, this is the needles, essential. Put that over here. This is just my needle holder. Like I said, you can use this. So I'm not gonna put in the not so much essential, but it will help. Let's just say it will help. If you don't have this, it will help. So this is essential for sure. This is essential for like lubrication, during tattoo art, and for aftercare. But I wouldn't use the same petroleum jelly for your aftercare because, of course, you know, the gloves and the inks has been mixed with this petroleum jelly. So, yeah, get you two of these. All right. Essential, boom, or you can use like a fruit, things of that nature. Now I know you did your research on this. These are the transfers. So in order for you to do your transfer your art to the skin or the fake skin or whatnot, you're going to need the transfers papers. And I'm not yelling at anybody. It's just I wanted to emphasize that because this is most definitely essential. So right now, this is essential as well too, because how are you going to apply your aftercare and things of that nature? I first started off using like a barbershop spray. It's like a spray bottle, and it was cool. I'm gonna say it's cool, nothing bad about it, but this is a tad bit better, if I must say. So essential as well. Like I said, this it's not very much essential just starting off as an amateur and a beginner. But if you want to do better designs and practice on better designs, let's just say, okay, you want to get the straighter lines. The only way, unless you have the best steady hand ever, the only way you're going to get the steady lines is with this thermal tattoo printer. So I got this for, I believe, $100. A lot of them are expensive, but this was like $100, and it gets the job done. On my last video, I used this to get my artwork done, so I'm pretty sure this is going to last me a lifetime. You know, yeah. So I need my haircut done bad, but that's another story. But those are like my top essentials that I feel like as a beginner or like a learning tattoo artist, you should need. Some say you need a head lamp, things of that nature. Right now, I'm just learning. I'm in my learning phase, so when I get into the professional, actually doing portraits on human skin, like clients and things of that nature, I would definitely invest in that. As far as right now, we're using this for my life. So yeah, let's just say you want to take the same journey as me and do YouTube things. I can get that in another video, but right now we're talking specifically tattoo essentials. So if I was able to help you guys with something in this video and it was very valuable, if y'all need to know where I got these from and y'all need the link, let me know. I'll have it in the description below. Tattoo gun, machine, let me know. If I gave y'all some valuable information, make sure y'all like this video, make sure y'all subscribe, and make sure y'all stay player. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Stay ink.